Hello electronics DIY fans. This is a little project that I've been working on. I wanted to show you. It is a 3-watt UV diode powered by a constant current source or driver, as you want to call it. And that is powered by a simple AC adapter. AC to DC, 11 volts, 1 amp. Actually, you can use any voltage higher than the voltage of the diode, and any amperage higher than the amperage needed to drive the diode, because this constant current driver can handle pretty much anything, any power, just as long as it is above a 0.5 volts above the driving current of the LED, because 0.5 volts is the actual dropout voltage of this driver, constant current driver. Constant current means that it will deliver constant current set by you using resistors to the diode. This diode is 3 watts, meaning it is driven by 700 milliamps at 3.4 volts. It is really crudely made. This is still a prototype. I will make another one that is much better than this one. You can see all the wires hanging out, nothing is fixed, and I used a prototyping board for this one. You can see a lot of solder down there. Yeah, it could all short out very easily and make a lot of havoc. We don't want that to happen. So, this driver I found on the Instructables page. Instructables website, I'm sure you are all familiar with it, because it has really cool stuff on it. I actually modified this one a little bit. You can see it has a trimmer potentiometer, which allows me to dim the LED a little bit, not very much. That switch there is used to override the trimmer potentiometer. I will make a better one next time. This is a single turn potentiometer. I will use a multi-turn potentiometer to make it a little bit more stable when I try to dim it, because this way when I turn a 1 millimeter it dims fully or a little bit. I don't know, you can never predict it. So this driver features N-channel FET transistor and a little NPN transistor. Actually, you can use any NPN transistor as long as it is by the specifications of the DIY on the site Instructables. I will now show you how it works. I just have to plug this one into the mains. Just a moment. Okay, here we go. Oh, and it lights up. As I said, this is a UV diode. It needs something a little bit white for me to show you. Yeah, you can see that. Other things don't light up as easily as the white one does. So, you can see. It is used in parties, finding fake bills, curing nail polish, all sorts of things, and growing plants. It has a lot of uses, as well as is really cool. So, if this circuit is gonna handle a lot of power, or try to lower the voltage a lot, you will need a good heat sink here on the NFET, because it gets really hot. And also you're gonna need a heat sink on the diode. It is 3 watts, so it does get pretty hot. We're gonna need to keep an eye on that, because if they get pretty hot, they will burn out very quickly. Otherwise, their life expectancy is about 60,000 working hours. That is actually a lot. By my calculations, this one should last 5 years if I'm careful with it. My next project will be combining 6 of these LEDs into one circuit, and when I do that, I will again film it for you, and you will see the results. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. Goodbye.